All right there, welcome back to RHP. This is your girl Ronji. Today I want to share with you what I'm having for lunch. These are some of the meals that have helped me lose a lot of weight, okay? But before I do that, allow me to share with you my signature drink, which I had today when I woke up in the morning. This is the drink I usually have in the morning. It's a mixture of lemon slices and ginger. It's a good drink. It aids in digestion and it helps eliminate bloating, okay? So I had this drink all the way on my way to work. And so for lunch, what I'm having is a simple meal. It's a healthy meal. It's a meal that can aid in weight loss if you're looking to lose a few pounds here and there. It's a simple rice, local vegetable, creamy vegetable, and then we have a salad of tomatoes, onions, garlic, green pepper, and a piece of avocado. This is what I'm having for lunch. It's a beautiful meal. It's a healthy meal. If you're looking to lose some weight, this is a meal for you. The only thing you need to put emphasis on is on the portion, especially on the rice, because we know rice is carbohydrates. And when you're trying to lose a few pounds, you want to check on your carbohydrate intake. Don't eliminate it in totality. Just reduce the portions so that you don't have excess of it coming into your body. This is what I'm having today. I would like to know what you're having today. This goes with a lot of exercises here and there. I've been walking, I've been taking stairs, I've been just, running errands and walking around, and that does me a lot of good in my weight loss journey. Share with me what you're having for lunch today, and we'll meet again on another episode when I'm sharing another healthy meal. If this is the first video you've watched, please go ahead and subscribe, and let's learn everything we can about our health. Bye.